Now he's gonna stop, right?
He's back. There it
Oh.
goes. Oh.
Isn't that the weirdest thing? I've never seen a dog do that before. Hi.
It is like he's covering something up.
He's so...
And he pauses too, like it's just going over a bump. Like whatever's there, it's too tough to get over the ball.
Oh god, it's so funny though. I feel bad if it's like a neurological thing.
Oh, I'm sorry. We're not laughing at you. We're sorry.
Congratulations, you've won 250 free business cards from Vistaprint. Visit
Look at it, like, oh, there's a big bump right there.
or click on the Vistaprint